one.
I'm so scared. Are you scared? Ashley would be scared. We're on the right track.
Yeah.
That's me.
Are they like all you now?
Right, Caleb? You forgot the table number?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it took 30 minutes for us to get our food. Are you watching the riot videos? Alright, we're gonna go on Dunes, and we're gonna go on the Spider-Man and the Twisty Turny ride. Oh my god. Alright, this is us for one of the water rides. This is us after the Popeyes ride. Who do you think got the most wet tonight?
I did not get it.
Yeah, you barely got wet.